Hey guys! Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. For today's video, ang gagawin natin is itatry natin yung bagong discovery ko from Shopee na makeup brand and that is called Menow Cosmetics. Actually, medyo matagal ko nang nadidinig and nakikita tong brand na to online and I'm so happy because finally, masusubukan ko na siya and I'm really looking forward to testing the products because mukhang promising sila. But unfortunately, hindi full face yung gagawin natin sa video na to because dun sa may official store nila sa Shopee, hindi pa kompleto yung mga products na meron sila but medyo madami din naman tayong itatry. I believe we have total of 6 products. Sobrang affordable na mga makeup nila, especially atong eyeliner set. Na-shook ako kasi this one is only 210 pesos. Usually kasi diba sa ganung price range, isang eyeliner lang yung mapapurchase mo. But dito sa kanila, you have total of 6 eyeliners. And you guys know me, I love trying affordable makeup, especially yung mga 200 pesos below. Kaya I'm really hoping na dito sa brand na to, meron tayong makitang mga worth it and hidden gems. Unang subukan natin from Menow Cosmetics is itong kanilang cream foundation. So it says dito sa information that this retails for 210 pesos. It comes in 5 shades and yung claims ng product is silky finish, lightweight, breathable, and easy to blend. And unfortunately, I won't be able to use this foundation on my face because masyadong light yung kulay niya for my complexion. It doesn't have any scent which is perfect. This is how the foundation looks like and sobrang cool niya kasi meron siyang parang white na marbling. I honestly have no idea kung ano yung purpose ng white but I feel like meron siyang pigment. So basically, kapag pinaghalo, mas magiging light pa yung kulay niya. Kaya feeling ko talaga hindi magwo-work to sa akin as foundation. Kaya, ayun nga, gamitin na lang natin siya as a concealer. Also, I forgot to mention that this one nga pala contains 12 grams and it is made in China. Tapos, dito sa box, it says na 12 months after opening yung shelf life. So, ito, i-swatch muna natin. And as you can see, tama nga, masyadong light yung kulay niya for my skin. And eto siya kapag sinwatch. It's very creamy. It doesn't feel sticky. Tapos ang gawin natin is sa isang side lang tayo muna maglagay. Parang medyo napadami siya but ayusin na lang natin in a few. And here you have it guys. This is how the foundation looks like as a concealer and for me, I like how it looks like sa skin kasi diba, tignan nyo, instant brightness yung binigay niya. When it comes sa coverage ng foundation, it's actually light, so don't expect too much. This time, ang gawin natin is i-build up natin siya just to see kung kaya niya bang maging mas full. But actually, kahit yung isang layer lang okay na siya. But just for the sake of trying, let's do it, diba? So, ganito naman siya kapag naka 2 layers. As you can see, mas naging bright yung kulay niya. Nadagdagan yung coverage, but I feel like medyo nagiging cakey na kapag ka 2 layers. Mas okay siya if light application lang. If you have dry to normal skin, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo tong foundation na to, especially if you love dewy finish. But if you have oily skin like me, I feel like mas okay to kung isaset nyo talaga siya or i-bake kasi baka mag-crease agad. This time, mag-powder naman tayo. And actually, we have 2 powders here. And susubukan natin silang pareho. And mag-start tayo dito sa kanilang high definition face powder. And according sa Shopee page nila, it says that this one is 365 pesos. And yung claims niya is it gives a soft effect on the skin, invisible and ideal for everyday wear. 24 months after opening yung expiration ng product and it contains, let me check. Ooh, ang dami niyang laman ha, 20 grams. Makapal and sobrang high quality ng pinaka-component. Tapos meron din siyang kasamang powder puff. And ang gawin muna natin is i-swatch natin or i-feel yung pinaka-powder. And wala din siyang scent na kahit ano guys. Hindi siya amoy chemical or cheap na makeup. And wow, it is super fine. As in, wala talaga akong maramdamang gaspang kahit konti. It actually reminds me of RCMA, yung no color powder nila. Ganun siya. Anyway, ang gawin natin is i-pick up lang natin siya using the puff na kasama sa lalagyan. Tapos gamitin natin siya to set the under eye. Or yung mga parts na nilagyan natin ng concealer para hindi mag-move. Grabe guys, ang ganda ng powder na to. Talagang parang RCMA siya. And take note ha, this is only 200 plus and yung RCMA is almost 1K. Tapos it doesn't feel heavy sa face, as in parang wala kang nilagay na powder. So basically, sinasat niya yung face without compromising the feeling. Kasi di ba may mga powder na kapag pinang-set nyo, mabigat siya sa face and talagang mafe-feel nyo. But etong isang to hindi, as in para talaga siyang high-end. And true to its claim, it is really translucent guys kasi hindi niya na-alter yung kulay ng face ko. Para iset yung parts ng face ko na wala pang powder, yung gagamitin ko sa video na to is the Mino Cosmetics Mint Fine Loose Powder. They have 2 shades dito and it retails for 275 pesos. So, claims ng powder is that it contains mint extract, it softens the appearance of fine lines, and meron siyang matte finish. And by the way, this one is in the shade number 1. Ganito naman yung packaging ng mint powder, and for me, to be honest, mas prefer ko yung nauna. But this one is nice as well, and... Wait, paano ba ito buksan? Hindi siya natutwist, so I guess... Ayun. Inaangat siya. It smells like mint. Oh my god. And again, maglagay lang tayo ng konting powder sa cup. Ganito yung kulay niya guys, medyo yellowish siya. Pinong-pino din siya. Dito ko muna sa area na to ilalagay yung powder. Grabe guys, amoy na amoy yung mint pero hindi siya masakit sa ilong. And as you guys can see, it's a little bit yellow for my skin tone but meron siyang konting coverage na binibigay. Sobrang velvety ng feeling. Hindi magaspang yung feeling niya sa skin which is perfect. Kasi diba, sino ba namang tao yung gusto ng magaspang na powder? Upon checking yung Shopee page ng Menow, they don't have pa face palette, blush, and eyeshadow kaya off-cam ko na lang yung gagawin. I am almost complete with my eye makeup and before we proceed sa next item from Menow, nakalimutan ko i-mention that they have an eyeshadow primer as well. And ito yung ginamit ko to prime my lid. And yung tawag sa kanya is the Menow Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. It retails for 225 pesos. And yung claims niya is, it improves color saturation, waterproof, and it prevents eyeshadow from creasing and smudging. So, ganito yung swatch ng eyeshadow base, and as you can see, para siyang translucent beige. And for me, I like this kasi talagang nag-pop yung kulay purple na eyeshadow na nilagay ko sa lid because this one actually hindi siya ganun ka-intense, especially kapag walang base. But because of this, talagang naging super dark and vibrant ng kulay. Another thing na nagustuhan ko sa eyeshadow base is that it doesn't feel heavy kapag nilagay sa lid kasi kapag concealer yung gamit, diba, talagang mafe-feel nyo yung bigat. Pero dito hindi. Sobrang gaang lang niya tapos talagang kumapit yung eyeshadow and ginawa niyang vibrant or matingkad. For eyeliner, ang gagamitin natin sa video na to is this one and yung tawag sa kanya is Mino Cosmetics Dynamic Liquid Eyeliner. This one costs 210 pesos and yung claims niya is that it is waterproof, sweatproof, and lasts the whole day. Sobrang nagulat talaga ako nung nalaman ko yung presyo nito kasi hindi ko in-expect na ganun siyang kamura. This is how the product looks like and again, we have 6 shades. We have a black, green, blue, purple, brown, and red. So, ang gawin natin is swatch muna natin so that we can see kung ano yung finish and itsura ng eyeliner. Ito nga pala yung close-up ng eyeliner and as you can see, felt tip siya. Sobrang pointed nung dulo niya kaya perfect to, especially kapag gusto nyo nung precise na application. And ito naman yung close-up ng swatches dito sa Dynamic Liquid Eyeliner from Menow Cosmetics. Ang ganda ng mga shades ng eyeliner dito sa set na to and look at this guys. It doesn't smudge. Look at that, diba? Kahit liinan ko siya. For 210 pesos, to be honest, this is a steal. This time, let's put the eyeliner to the test. And yung shade na gagamitin ko is itong purple. And here you have it. Ganito yung itsura ng eyeliner kapag nakalagay na siya sa mata. And for me, I like it kasi it's very easy to apply and pigmented. Medyo nagka-problema lang ako, especially dito sa part na to, kasi meron ako nilagay na glitter, kaya nung pinatong ko to, medyo naging parang, you know, ganun siya. Basically, hindi siya ganun ka-smooth because of the glitter. And again, kasalanan ko naman yon, but kung wala kayong glitter, this one, sobrang nice na magiging application niya. Sobrang crisp and smooth talaga. Tsaka maganda yung kulay niya kasi it's very subtle. Kaya kung gusto niyo nung parang pop of color lang, okay na okay itong gamitin. Final product ng Mino na susubukan natin sa video na to is yung kanilang highlight. And this one is called the Mino Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Highlight. This one costs 165. It comes in 7 shades and yung claims niya is it gives radiant shimmery finish, long-lasting, and easy to blend. This one contains 10 grams by the way and 12 months after opening yung expiration. Packaging looks like this. It's very simple, direct to the point, and actually it reminds me of Wet n Wild. Parang ganito kasi yung vibes nung highlight nila kaya it's nice. Okay, so first nating isa-swatch is number 88 which is a white shade. Para siyang pearl, ganun yung vibes. And ooh, it's soft. Super intense and pigmented. Oh my god. Second shade is number 40 and this one naman is a pink highlight. Hindi siya kasing shimmery nung first nating sinwatch but formula-wise, very soft and velvety yung feeling. And this one, very faint lang. Yung pagka-pink niya, hindi siya yung OA sa pagka-pink na almost like blush na. Very subtle lang tong isang to. Final shade is called 88 and this one naman para siyang medyo may pagka-bronzy na champagne color. And feeling ko ito yung shade na okay sa akin or mag-work. Maybe a little bit dark but we'll see. And same sa nauna, this one as well, very velvety yung feeling but I feel like mas subtle yung pagka-shimmery niya or yung glow na ibibigay. So basically para siyang more on natural na finish. So, sa video na to yung gagamitin kong shade is number 38 and kapag lang medyo nakulangan tayo tsaka tayo mag-add ng ibang kulay. Medyo powdery siya pero madami siyang napipick up. And let's see how it looks like. Ooh, you know what guys? I like this. Kung gusto niyo ng very natural looking highlight, this is nice. Kasi it's not too intense eh. Tapos wala din siyang glitter, pinong-pino yung pigment, kaya hindi niya na-emphasize yung skin texture. Ayun, tingnan nyo, diba? It looks very natural. Saktong-sakto lang yung glow na binibigay niya. I like this one and I can see myself using this, especially on days na gusto ko lang ng very sheer na glow. Like for example, ayoko lang gawing super matte ng aking skin. I can use this one. So this time, gawin naman natin siyang mas intense and to do that, ang i-apply ko or ipapatong is yung number 88 which is yung white. And i-apply natin siya dito sa highest point. Ayan na, di ba? Naging intense na siya. In fairness, pwede din siyang ipang pang mix. And ang ganda. Okay sa akin tong highlight, guys. Maganda siya. And that's it. Ayun na lahat ng mga Mino Cosmetics product na meron ako. And overall for me, I'm really happy sa mga sinubukan natin kasi ang daming magaganda. Nasabi ko na lahat ng kailangan kong sabihin about the product. So I guess, mag-proceed na tayo sa mga favorites ko from this line. First on my list is itong Mino Pro High Definition Powder in Translucent. Kagaya ng sabi ko kanina sa inyo, this one is a great dupe for the RCMA No Color Powder kasi same sila ng texture and ng feeling sa skin. Tsaka ang dami niyang laman guys. This one contains 20 grams again. And I'm very sure this will last for years. Super nice na to guys, para talaga siyang RCMA. Second product on my list is itong waterproof na eyeshadow primer which is called Proof It. For those of you na mahilig gumawa ng colorful and creative eye makeup, magugustuhan nyo to kasi talagang ginagawa niyang vibrant and rich yung eyeshadow na ilalagay nyo. And yung last product sa aking mga favorites is yung kanilang eyeliner. Again, 210 pesos lang to. So basically, pumapatak na each eyeliner is only 35 pesos. Diba saan ka makakahanap ng ganung eyeliner? 35 pesos lang. Tsaka as far as I'm concerned, kasi diba parang wala pang local brand or affordable makeup brand na naglalabas ng murang eyeliner na iba yung kulay. Kadalasan kasi diba kung hindi black, brown yung nilalabas sa market. Kaya naman kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable, colorful na eyeliner, eto guys, I highly recommend this. Before we end this video guys, magpa-giveaway tayo kasi I have here duplicates ng mga sinubukan ko. And sayang naman diba kung ikikip ko lang siya. Kaya ayun guys, ipapa-giveaway ko na lang to. So we have here 1 highlighter, 1 foundation, 2 powders, eyeshadow primer, and yung set ng liquid eyeliner. So, isa sa inyo yung mananalo nito guys. Lalagay ko siya sa paper bag. And to join, all you have to do is i-follow yung mechanics na ipapop ko sa screen. Again, these products from Menow are available sa Shopee and Lazada. So, make sure to check the description box kasi lahat ng links nila ilalagay ko po doon. Tapos guys, naka-sale din sila this coming November 11 sa Shopee. So, make sure to check them out para makasave kayo ng money kasi up to 70% off store-wide. Kagaya nitong eyeliner set, from 210, 168 na lang siya. So, di ba? Ang laki naman sa save nyo. Ito namang eyeshadow base, from 225, 180 pesos na lang siya. Kaya yun guys, if you're planning to purchase any of these products, sa 11/11 sale kayo para makasave kayo ng money and meron kayong cashback. And ayun lamang guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching this, of course, make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.